Welcome viewers, today we're going to be testing the Ancel BST100, which is a car battery tester, and these come in around about £25. I managed to get this cheaper on eBay. It was only $18.99. So let's stick it on a vehicle, we'll see what happens, see what results we get. So we're going to need to know what the cold cranking amps are. So on this vehicle it's 370. And then we'll just connect the unit to the battery. The unit will switch itself on. Then once it's connected, we can start putting in the cold cranking amps and set it up. So the display that comes up obviously has your choice of tests. We're going to do the battery test, which is number 1. And then we're going to enter the cold cranking amps. I've already got it set at 370, but if you need to change it, you can use the up and down arrows. So once it's set, it'll just do the test. So let's see what results come up from that. We'll see the health of the battery. So looking at the results, the battery's still good. It just needs recharged. It's 100% healthy and it's still putting out 446 cold cranking amps. So this battery is still good. Okay, we'll now have a look at the cranking test. So choose test number 2. I'm going to start the engine. I'm just going to see how well it performs when the engine's being started. So that's pretty low at 8.64 volts. So we'll come back to that. Charging test. Let's just see how well the charging system's working. I wouldn't be expecting any problems with this. So just choose that from the menu. And then we've just got to turn up the revs to 2,500 revs for 5 seconds. The instruction leaflet's got some good tables in it. It shows you exactly what you're looking for from the tests and how to analyze the information. So we'll be doing that in a different video. But looking at this right now, let's see what the results are. So we can see that after it's done its test, the charging system's working normally. There's some more detailed information there, and we'll have a look at that in a different video. But at a high level, everything's good. So is this tester worth the money? Well, let's have a look at the pros and the cons. On the pro side of things, it's pretty cheap. It's very easy to use, as you could see, and it seems to be put together pretty well. The cables look quite good and the clips seem to be reasonably sturdy. So is there any reason why you wouldn't want to buy it? Well, the only thing I can see is that it only goes up to 12 volts. So if you've got a bigger battery on your vehicle, then you might want to buy a more expensive tester. But apart from that, it's pretty good, especially for DIY use. There's a simple set of instructions included that helps you analyze the data. So we'll do another video where we go through each of those tests and just work out what we're going to do with the battery. Again, looking at it, it said it was 100% healthy, but the cranking test was pretty low. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel.